Mm. So hi, good morning, everybody. So this is a little bit of a self-help on how to create e-portfolio on PDQ Connect for any certification or diploma course. So what you need to do is basically log into your regular PDQ Connect login page, and in that, once you come to the home page, you will definitely have these three options. What you need to do is click on Create. And under create, you will need to go and click on copy. And here you will find, first you will find, if it's your first PDQ course, then there is a possibility that you will not find any of these. Because I've already done one PDQ course before and I'm in the process of submitting the other one, you will find that there are lots of pages that already exist. Otherwise, what you need to do is you'll have to go to the template of that particular PDQ course that you want to copy. For instance, if you're doing the educational leadership course, you need to go and find this one, this particular template, which says CIC EDL 21 to 24. This is the latest version, the version we are working on and the one we are going to be submitting. You'll find that and you'll have to go to copy collection. Once you go to copy collection, you can just say, if this is your template, you can rename it to whatever you want it to be. So I'm just going to be calling it sadhana underscore recording so I don't get confused. Come right down and say continue edit collection pages. Now here your collection is ready to be edited. What you need to do now is where will you find this collection? When you click on your home page and go back to this Cambridge icon and click it again, you will find it under your create collection. Under your create, you will find everything over here. So once you find this, the particular submission that you have and the one that you want to submit, you'll need to click on these three dots and click on manage. It will give you all the 4 pages that need to be completed as part of this PDQ Connect e-portfolio. And it's already giving you a little bit of a template under each. So let's go to page 1. Page 1 is your cover page and it allows you the liberty to edit as you read whatever you read on each block. In the sense, you only need to fill up answers to these questions. And how do you do that? On every page, you will see that there is an edit icon in the form of a pencil. Click on that. It will give you the option of editing each block, right? So because it gives you the option of editing each block, you now need to go to the block you want to edit. These are blocks. Go to this block, edit it. Here you can edit whatever you want. You can fill in your blah, blah, blah. And once you're done, don't forget to save. Please save it and you'll see that it's been saved. Can you see it's already been saved as blah, blah, blah. Now, if you want to go and edit, this is the cover page. After the cover page, you, of course, you have to now build your portfolio for each unit. You have 3 units and you have, um, as part of each module, you have 3 units. So now we are going to see how are we going to be building our portfolio pages for our units. So if you see here, if you click on unit 1, the prerequisite for this, of course, is that you have all your evidences ready. In the sense, if you're going to be doing it for the educational leadership course, you will have your JD ready, you will have your mentor discussions ready, your reading list ready. If you're doing it for your teaching and learning course, you will have your observation form of the experienced teacher ready, and you would have followed a certain naming convention, about 4196 and which unit it is. You would have definitely followed that convention. So keeping that in mind, you would have kept the PDF versions of all these ready. Now, for each unit, when you come, you'll see that it's going to be a blank page like this and you'll have to build it. Again, click on the edit icon. And once you click on the edit icon, it gives you the option to come and edit and add blocks. So once you add blocks, how can you add blocks? You have to click on this plus sign over here gives you the option, choose top and you can add. And in the place of block title, you can write whatever is the name of the block that you're adding. For example, I'm saying 4196 for unit 1 underscore JD underscore my name. That's how you would have named your blocks as well. And mostly these particular JDs, reading lists, all of them would be PDFs, right? So click on PDF as the type of document you'll be adding. Click on File and go to Choose File. And once you choose File, choose the appropriate PDF file and then add it. Once you've added it, then you save it and you'll see that it appears over here. Now, again, there are two ways in which you can create this layout. It can be a vertical newspaper type of a column format, for which you can use this little arrow over here and you can narrow it down, right, and make it this way. So that's one particular format you can use. Or you can use the other format is you can keep it big and you can keep adding everything one below the other, and the examiner will have to then scroll below and see everything. So I prefer using the newspaper column format. So I'm just going to make it smaller this way. So which means all my evidence of practice evidences would be in one column. My evidence of learning would be in another column and my evidence of reflection would be in another column. So again, how do I add a block for this? I will click on this. I will say top again. And here I will say evidence of learning. What I do here is for my evidence of learning and my evidence of reflection, my block types are text boxes. So I click on text and here I can just copy paste from my evidence of learning. In the sense, I just open my Word doc. My Word doc will have my evidence of learning. I just need to highlight it, click it and paste it here. Once I paste it here, I say save. Now again, every block by default gets saved in this format, but I just showed you what to do. You just have to make it narrow in nature. And again, when you're in the edit mode, it gives you the option to move around and build your PDQ Connect website. So let's just create the last block now, which is the evidence of reflection. This is also going to be a text box type. Come down and say save. Again, it's going to be in this default format. You can make it narrow and move it. Right? So it's important to maintain uniformity. So if your unit 1 is made in this format, you will also make unit 2 in this format. You will also make unit 3 in this format. Yeah.